A lot of people have difficult eaters. Parents, I mean. Parents have kids who don't, they maybe just like buttered noodles. Don't get me wrong, Ethan. Nothing wrong with buttered noodles. Are you butter noodle kid?
Yeah, I'm a buttered noodle boy.
You're a buttered noodle boy?
Yeah.
So for all you buttered noodle fans out there, I'm gonna show you Basil Pistachio butter noodles with some chicken and tomatoes. It's unbelievable. So simple, so delicious. Let me show you how to do it. Today I am using chicken thighs. I'm a huge fan of chicken thighs. A lot of fat, a lot of flavor, and 2 seasonings here. I'm doubling up on my seasonings, a bit of SPG and Tuscan herb. However, you can season these however you like, with whatever you like. A lot of times I see questions in the comments and people asking for specific recipes, and I want you to practice some specific recipes, but make these things your own. As we start to cook and learn together, there are places where you can make adjustments to fit your palate and the things that you love. However, I do love chicken thighs. I'm gonna say go hard on the chicken thighs for this dish all day long. Get those nice and crispy, nice and hot. Now the star of the show. Maybe, I think it's the star of the show. I'm starting with softened butter and pistachios. Pistachio basil butter. I know in the intro, it probably sounded a little strange, but it's rich, it's decadent, it is so lovely and really simple, really, really simple. We've got butter, pistachios, a decent amount of basil. Basil is one of the more floral herbs. Like, it's got this rich, wonderful flavor. You just end up, everything smells and tastes like it. It's wonderful. Another big key here, look how gorgeous. You can see the oils bursting from this gorgeous lemon. We want the lemon zest to add a really bright and wonderful flavor. That was just a bit of SPG at the end. And then we blend it. That's it. This thing is so versatile. You could use this on toast. You could use this on seafood. You could use this anywhere you like. But don't be afraid of some things that might sound difficult, like basil pistachio butter, because they're not. They're not difficult, and they're gorgeous and stunning. The thing I love most about using thighs is the nooks and crannies, right? A chicken breast kind of has the 2 even sides, but the nooks and crannies, those little nibbles, little niblets of flavor is what I'm after, and that's why I love using chicken thighs. Now you can notice on the griddle, on the Blackstone, there's all that gorgeousness, so don't you think that we're wasting it. I'm gonna deglaze with a bit of water. That just means bringing up all of that gorgeous flavor, and I have some al dente noodles. Be sure to steam up your camera lens. That's an important part of this. Deglazing is where we bring up all of that flavor back into the noodles, so we're not losing any flavor. Now I've got some gorgeous multicolor tomatoes. We're going to go with our basil pistachio butter. I know this is like a play on butter noodles. I was just trying to be clever. However, this thing is packed, jam-packed with flavor. Whether you're cooking for like 2 or 20, if you have like a bunch of people coming over, you can fill your Blackstone to the brim and cook a ton of this gorgeous pasta really, really quickly. I do want to chop the chicken into more bite-sized pieces, more manageable pieces, because I'm going to mix it in. But look how juicy. Chicken thighs are magical, so incredibly juicy. They're probably my favorite. I'd say 90% of the time I'm going after a chicken thigh instead of a chicken breast. Occasionally I will do chicken breasts, but the chicken thighs are just so juicy and full of flavor. Now this is pretty much it. Dinner, done. Simple, elegant, easy. This is one of those dishes when you start making food like this, you start to get really, say proud of yourself, but you get proud of yourself because of these tiny little building blocks that make us a better cook. Take little bits of this and add it to other things, and all of a sudden, like, your repertoire of cooking skills has grown exponentially, and that's my favorite part, reading the comments. That's my favorite part of doing this show for you guys. Now, garnishing, the last little bit, I do like to add, you know, we talk about layers of flavor. A post dust, as CJ Fraser calls it. A post dust is basically adding a layer of flavor at the end over the top. Here I'm going with some fresh parm. That's going to give us a little bit of saltiness and richness and a bit of lemon zest. This is one of those dishes when you're finished, you're like, yes, yes, that's what I've been missing. Friends, put the buttered noodles away. Go round 2, look at that. Like that? I don't know, maybe your kids wouldn't like it. But I like it. Dang. Whoa. Pistachio butter for the win. So nothing we did was difficult. We say this all the time. Little things to take your flavor game to a new level. New techniques, new fun things to do. Just get you out of the rut. Helps you do fun stuff.
Thank you so much for watching. This is Cook, Eat, Repeat. We'd like to help you become a better cook one recipe at a time. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy. I'll see you all in the next episode.